dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Lagos-based APC chieftain Alhaji Ibrahim Megida expressed strong optimism that the APC will undoubtedly score a landslide victory at the Edo election coming up later this September. But guys, before I bring the news to you, I welcome you back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest G's. Thank you so much for joining us. If today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our busy subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. The Lagos-based APC chieftain Alhaji Ibrahim Megida expressed strong optimism that the APC will undoubtedly score a landscape victory at the Edo election coming up later this September. The veteran grassroots mobilizer and coordinator Mainland Independent Group, a social political pressure group based in Lagos, said the rate at which people were decamping from the ruling PDP in Edo State shows that things have really fallen apart and the center could no longer hold it. Hey, my problem is small matter. Megida, a member of the Edo State Campaign Council for APC, said that his interaction with the defected ex-PDP member during his stay in Edo State at the period of the inauguration, including Edo indigenes in Lagos, Abuja and other parts of the state, where he had traveled to, shows beyond doubt that the average Edo indigene, including a good number of deceitful and psychopathic PDP members who still pretend to be members of the party, have passive votes of no confidence on Governor Godwin Obaseki, as the generality of the people are already tired of Governor Godwin Obaseki. Hence, Governor Godwin Obaseki is just a lonely man fighting a solo battle. I would not be small matter. He said there has been a telling indication of the rottenness, not only in Edo PDP, but also within the corrupt government of Governor Godwin Obaseki. So according to him, he said, it could be seen in Philip Shaibu, his deputy, who had no option than to decamp when he could no longer tolerate the ongoing mess in PDP. Megida said his first time visit to Edo was really great, that he had an nice time, that they had fun and merriment. So he really interacts with so many persons wherever he goes to. He said they often won so many persons' hearts to APC. So the outpour of goodwill, love and support showered on them by those who heartily identified them were clear indication not only of the imminent support that the average Edo indigene had for the APC, but is also clear expression that the APC will surely carry the Edo governorship pool. Also speaking, Barrister Wuse Banjo, the State Financial Secretary APC Lagos State, stressed that the formidable presence of APC top shots ranging from the National Chairman Abdullahi Ganduje, state governors, serving senators, member of the House of Rep, and a host of top functionaries from the National Secretariat was really awe-inspiring. So it shook the entire Edo State. Now it was quite an exciting experience indeed, the mood of the people. Judging from the interaction at restaurant, the motor garage, and wherever they passed through or went to throughout their stay, were glaring indication that the APC has already coasted home to victory. That Governor Godwin Obaseki himself has seen the handwritten on the wall and has now resorted to threat and thuggery that the authorities were therefore doing well by providing enough security. So this, of course, is very crucial and important, because it is apparent that if there is adequate security and impartial poll by INEC, APC will surely beat the ruling PDP. Hands down. Because PDP in Edo State is already dead and buried. My photo be small big. He said the burial announcement is only a question of formality, eagerly being awaited at the September poll. May the announcer say PDP don't die. I remember these people are honestly looking for trouble. The atmosphere is getting intensified day by day. He stated further that the structure of the political representation in Edo State, both in the Senate and the Federal House of Rep, clearly shows that the APC will surely beat the PDP hands down. That if they look at it, the APC has 2 seats out of 3 in the Senate, while in the Federal House of Rep, APC has 6 seats, Labour has 2, PDP has 1. That the implication of this is clear, that PDP is going nowhere. Also, Cecilia Osemhewe, a prominent political top shot of the Edo State APC, described Governor Godwin Obaseki as a victim who only yesterday was complaining of being persecuted, all in a bid to be sympathized, favor, and support. But they not go look in face. He said Governor Godwin Obaseki demolished an hospital which the common man relied on, a hospital which had been there before he was born, and put a museum in that place when already they had a standing museum at Ring Road. It's not only that though, that Governor Godwin Obaseki demolished a state-owned library in order to build ShopRite, which means that the education and health of the common man are much less important than the private personal interests of Governor Godwin Obaseki. And they could also believe how the road Obaseki constructed on Uwelu Market Road off TV Road suddenly became so horrible and dilapidated, with pothole all within 3 weeks. I remember not being small matter. She revealed that the incumbent PDP governor had privatized visually all the key ministry in the name of agency. Now, on a note of lamentation, Cecilia remarked that this is a man from whom much is expected under his leadership, that PDP is now in disarray, as a good number of PDP, including his humble self, have decamped into the APC, that all that are left within the party are deceased and stranded. But Mondo Bobolo, the APC gubernatorial candidate in Edo, is currently the indisputable man of the PDP, whose name has been on the lips of all the progress-loving candidates in Edo State. So the average Edo man have passed a vote of confidence on him, recanting his immense humanitarian passion. The female APC stalwart remarked how Senator Mondo Obolo donated a stupendous 7 million naira to a student for treatment of kidney problem, even in excess of the 6 million, which was the actual sum of money in request. Apart from his innumerable empowerment gesture, like building of school, purchase of vehicles, working tools, and so many other things, including financial empowerment, which he had undertaken with amazing rapidity and consistency. He said, Abina Dennis Idawosa, his deputy, he said he's doing the same thing in Novia constituency, combining every nook and cranny, including the riverine area, with an amazing sense of dedication, as had never been witnessed of any other politician in the Novia constituency. Indeed, they are doing a great job. Cecilia dismissed Asi Hodalo, the PDP candidate, as a non-entity and stranger who had never really been in touch with the people. She said that she's talking that he heard from Eastern Division with Asi Hodalo, but unfortunately, Asi Hodalo cannot speak his own native language, and these are the people he wants to lead. In a nutshell, she said the Edo people are saying no to Godfatherism and no to Governor Godwin Obaseki third-term agenda under the guise of Asi Hodalo. So right now, she is affirming with a tone of dismissal of Governor Godwin Obaseki and the Edo PDP that what they have in mind right now is Senator Mondo Obolo, the APC candidate. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your winners. Stay safe, guys.